Discover the future of tea
and chocolate.
We are going to be a legendary brand and the world's best seller. Yeah.
Nature's Own Factory has a unique experience of building a thriving company in just a few years. All products are original and revolutionary. The seeds of Tatar buckwheat give it an unforgettable taste.
This is the right time and place
for greatness. Nature's Own Factory, for sure, has a great potential to become a market leader in the Middle East and a successful exporter outside the region.
We're full of passion, courage, and persistence to become an example, a pride, a brand that glorifies the country.
We welcome you to join us on this fascinating journey.